Did you know that what you eat can either help your kidneys thrive or push them into trouble without you even realizing it? And if you're living with chronic kidney disease, diabetes, or just want to keep your kidneys healthy, every bite matters. Hi, welcome back to Nutri-Delights. Today, I'm bringing you 5 delicious, easy-to-make, and kidney-friendly meals, each under 500 calories, low in sodium, and designed to support optimal kidney function. These aren't boring, boiled meals. They're packed with flavor, freshness, and nutrition. So stay with me till the end, because I've got a special free PDF meal plan for kidney health available only to those who finish the video. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's watching their kidney health. Section 1. Why calories and kidney health matter. First things first, why do calories matter if we're talking about kidneys? It's simple. Kidneys filter waste from what we eat. Overeating or eating the wrong types of calories puts extra strain on your kidneys. In the U.S., we often exceed our daily intake of sodium, phosphorus, and unhealthy fats, leading to high blood pressure, diabetes, and kidney failure. Key point: for people with kidney concerns, choosing meals under 500 calories with the right balance of protein, carbs, and fat helps control weight, reduce pressure on the kidneys, and improve energy levels. Section 2. Kidney-friendly cooking principles. Before we jump into the meals, here are 5 quick rules for kidney-smart cooking. 1. Limit sodium, under 600 milligrams per meal. 2. Control potassium. Avoid high potassium ingredients unless your doctor advises otherwise. 3. Keep phosphorus low, especially if you have CKD. 4. Keeping fresh herbs instead of salt. 5. Stick to lean proteins. Think chicken breast, fish, egg whites, or tofu. Now let's get cooking. Section 3. Meal 1. Zesty herb grilled chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Calories: 470. Protein: 28 grams. Sodium: 290 milligrams. This first meal is a crowd favorite, especially for meal preppers. We marinate a skinless chicken breast with lemon juice, rosemary, and garlic powder, no salt. Grill it to perfection. Add a half cup of cooked quinoa and steamed broccoli, tossed with olive oil and lemon zest. This combo gives you fiber, protein, and kidney-safe energy. Section 4. Meal 2. Creamy cauliflower soup with whole wheat toast. Calories: 390. Protein: 12 grams. Sodium: 220 milligrams. Soup lovers, this one's for you. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in antioxidants. Simmer cauliflower with onion and garlic. Blend with a splash of unsweetened almond milk and a dash of pepper. Serve with 1 slice of toasted kidney-safe whole wheat bread. Pro tip: add a pinch of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the phosphorus. Section 5. Meal 3. Kidney-safe tofu veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Calories: 490. Protein: 20 grams. Sodium: 310 milligrams. This stir-fry hits every note: savory, crunchy, and full of color. We use low-sodium soy sauce, tofu cubes, bell peppers, snap peas, and a handful of carrots. Serve over half cup cooked brown rice, and you've got a high-fiber, plant-powered meal under 500 calories. Pro tip: use sesame oil sparingly for aroma. Just a teaspoon does wonders. Section 6. Meal 4. Egg white veggie omelet with avocado toast. Calories: 445. Protein: 24 grams. Sodium: 270 milligrams. Breakfast or dinner, this one works both ways. Whisk 4 egg whites with chopped spinach, onion, and bell pepper. Cook in olive oil spray. Serve with 1 slice of low-sodium whole grain toast and 1/4 sliced avocado. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of paprika and chives. No salt needed. Section 7. Meal 5. Chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. Calories: 430. Protein, 14 grams. Sodium, 280 milligrams. Cold meals are perfect for hot days. Rinse canned chickpeas thoroughly to reduce sodium. Add diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, parsley, and red onion. Mix with a homemade dressing, lemon juice, tahini, olive oil, and water. Pro tip: chill it for 30 minutes before serving. It tastes even better. Section 8. Meal Planning and Portion Control Tips. If you're serious about kidney health, portion control is key. Even the healthiest foods can cause issues when eaten in excess. Tips: keto food scale or measuring cups. Track with apps like MyFitnessPal. Stay hydrated but monitor fluid intake if you have CKD. Comment below if you want a full-day kidney-friendly meal plan. I'm happy to make it. Section 9. Free bonus. Now for your bonus. Click the link in the description to download your free PDF guide with all 5 meals, grocery list, and portion tracker. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nutri-Delights for weekly kidney-friendly recipes, tips, and lifestyle guidance. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a kidney-loving bite again. Have a favorite low-calorie recipe? Share it in the comments. We might feature yours in the next video.